To deactivate Instagram account, simply tap on this profile icon right here and tap on three lines. And at the top you can see account center. Simply tap on that and scroll down until you find manage accounts. Tap on manage accounts and select the profile you want to deactivate. In my case, I want to deactivate this account. Tap on manage, then click deactivation or deletion. And in this window it is asking if you want to deactivate temporarily or you want to delete your account permanently. Then simply select deactivate account. After selecting deactivate account, tap on continue. Tap on continue once again and enter your current password. Once you will enter your current password, your account will be deactivated. Once you have entered your Instagram passwords, tap on continue and simply select the reason you are deactivating your Instagram account. I'm selecting I just need a break. Then tap on continue and it is asking if I want to save any post or anything, and in this window simply scroll down and tap on continue. Also you can select if you want to reactivate my account in some days. It is asking if I want to reactivate in 7 days or maybe 5 days. I will select don't reactivate automatically. Tap on done, then tap on continue. Then confirm temporary account deactivation. Tap on deactivate account and your account will be deactivated temporarily. So that's how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.